Good morning, this is Alif News and I am Fadi. Let's have a look at the modern headlines. World News. Tesla CEO Elon Musk unveils Optimus, describing it as an extremely capable robot, unlike other human robots that don't have the intelligence to navigate the world by themselves. The UN has warned the people living near oil fields where gas is openly burned face heightened risk of leukemia, and that it has classified such areas as modern sacrifice zones. The United Nations will seek 800 million more in aid from the international community to respond to soaring life-saving needs of Pakistani flood survivors, a UN official said Friday. Saudi News. King Salman of Saudi Arabia on Tuesday named Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman the kingdom's prime minister and appointed Prince Khalid bin Salman as defense minister in a cabinet reshuffle by royal decree. Saudi Arabia's Ministry of Human Resources and Social Development wins the award for the best system in government communication at the Arab world level in 9th edition of Sharjah Government Communication Award. The Saudi Central Bank has granted permits to a new batch of companies to provide open banking solutions in the regulatory sandbox. The total unemployment rate has decreased from 5.8% in the second quarter from 6% in the first quarter of 2022. Saudi Arabia expects its budget surplus in 2022 in Saudi Riyal 90 billion and Saudi Riyal 9 billion next year. The Financial Ministry said in a pre-purchase statement on Friday. Growing gasoline prices will play a significant role in increasing the demand for electric vehicles in Saudi Arabia, says researcher Anwar Gassi. School news. Half-yearly exams are commenced on 2 October 2022. The last exam will be on October 16. World Teachers Day will be celebrated on 5th October. A special program will be organized for the teachers at the school. Thank you and have a nice day.